Adam, hello.
Hey.
Just in a few words, few sentences, why Croatians should come to Bratislava?
Well, Croatians should come to Bratislava because we Slovaks have been coming to Croatia for the past 40 or 50 years every year for summer holiday because you have such a beautiful sea there, and now we feel the need to show you that we also have beautiful sights for you, from the Bratislava castle to the UFO bridge where we actually are at the moment, from which you can see a beautiful view on the town. And it's not just that, we have places to eat, beautiful, you should explore our local gastronomy, and really Bratislava has evolved as a true destination of European measures, and we just feel the need to show you that, because why should the traffic be only one way? Why should only we come to Croatia? We want you here. We would love to have you here.
You mentioned the gastronomy. What is your specialities?
Well, since it's autumn at the moment, we usually eat duck, but normally we eat duck, and because it suits well with our local wine, because Bratislava is in the middle of a very popular wine region, one of the largest in Slovakia. So the duck is really a big part of autumn gastronomy in Bratislava.
Adam, we are now in one of the most important highlights in Bratislava. Please explain, where are we exactly?
We are at the top of the UFO tower, where there is a restaurant and a bar, and which was built in the 1970s. It's all part of a bridge which connects the both sides of the Danube, because we are in the middle of the Danube basically at the moment. And from here we can see a beautiful view on the city from 85 meters above. And we actually tried with Neno here a very nice activity called skywalking, which basically means that you walk around the restaurant on the outside, of course secured with ropes and everything, but you get really an unmissable opportunity to view the city from another perspective.
And after that great adventure, you may something eat in this special restaurant here.
Yes, of course. After you do something this kind of exciting, you always remain hungry, so you will eat the beautiful food made by the chef of the restaurant.
Thank you, Adam, very much. And drage Hrvatice i dragi Hrvati, ono što vam samo mogu reći, zaista je Bratislava prekrasna za posjet, pa i za onaj jedan kratki vikend posjet. Vidimo se ovdje. Pozdrav iz Bratislave.
Bye!